दोस्तों, ये बात तो हम सभी जानते हैं कि कोविड पैंडेमिक ने दुनिया की रफ्तार को थोड़ा धीमा कर दिया है और हम में से हर एक इंडिविजुअली इस पैंडेमिक से अपने अपने तरीके से लड़ रहा है। एंड आई होप हम जल्दी ही इस जंग से जीत भी जाएंगे। लेकिन हमें गिव अप नहीं करना है दोस्तों, क्योंकि बात सिर्फ अपनी सुरक्षा की नहीं है, अपनों की सुरक्षा की भी है। सो गाइज, यूज़ मास्क एंड सैनिटाइज़र, मेंटेन डिस्टेंस एंड स्टे मोटिवेटेड। तो इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का सेशन। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है करण और आप ले रहे हैं इंग्लिश ज्ञान जो है बहुत आसान। तो इजी इंग्लिश के नए सेशन ई टॉक्स में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों। और हमारा आज का टॉपिक है ई लर्निंग। इन दिस सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस कॉमन प्रोज एंड चैलेंजेस ऑफ ई लर्निंग विद कंक्लूजन। लेट्स बिगिन विद प्रोज। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, as we all know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, students are unable to attend their classes in schools, colleges, or other institutions. Even in this worst situation, they didn't stop learning, and this was only possible due to e-learning option. In fact, who the people they can't go to school or colleges due to lack of facilities, e-learning is very fruitful for them. E-learning gives enough flexibility. Suppose you miss any class, so you can watch it or listen to it later. You can repeat any concept many times if you didn't understand. Through e-learning, teachers can easily explain any concept using many tools like animation, paints, or any other technologies, so the students can understand the topic easily. Let's see the challenges of e-learning now. दोस्तों, हम सभी ये बात जानते हैं कि बिना मेहनत के कभी किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता है। नो पेन नो गेन। और अब्दुल कलाम सर की एक कोटेशन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, जिसमें वो कहते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू शाइन लाइक अ सन, फर्स्ट बर्न लाइक अ सन। अगर आप सूरज की तरह चमकना चाहते हैं तो पहले आपको उसकी तरह तपना होगा, उसकी तरह जलना होगा। तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉमन चैलेंजेस। सी, इन द क्लासरूम स्टूडेंट्स डोंट कम ओनली फॉर द लर्निंग द सब्जेक्ट्स, but they interact with other students as well. They make friends. Classroom influences the overall personality development of the students, but with e-learning, students deprive to this opportunity. And the second thing is, if you look at a screen continuously, it can strain your eyes as well. It is very usual that with e-learning, teacher may not be able to focus on all the students, which is more possible in the classroom. Classroom environment is natural, whereas sitting in front of a computer or smartphone to listen to the class will be boring. There are many people in this 21st century, they don't have internet facility. So e-learning depends the inequality between rich and poor. E-learning naturally don't create as much seriousness as classroom learning. So students may not be motivated enough to listen to the class. And not even all parents are technologically educated to help their children in case of any issue. If the device has other apps such as YouTube, students may become distracted. Number of students are suffering from a smartphone addiction, so parents may not feel safe to leave the children unsupervised. Dear friends, I'm just trying to explain as easy as you can understand. After knowing pros and challenges, let's go to the conclusion. So there is no doubt that e-learning is super beneficial for students as well as teachers, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. So there is no doubt that e-learning is super beneficial for students as well as teachers, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. But it can't be a sustainable alternative to classroom learning. It can only be used as a supplement. Moreover, internet access should be available to all so that every student can utilize this opportunity. So it's all about e-learning's pros and challenges for you in an easy way. Hope it will help you. So friends, अगर आपको आज का टॉपिक पसंद आया है तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। टिल देन, हैव अ नाइस टाइम गाइज।